Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find either the accounts or Google. It's up to you which section you prefer to use. I want to use this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the section with the accounts. We do not have any accounts added, so let's start with the tutorial of how to add the account. After tapping on this option, we have to tap on Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. It may take a while, so simply be patient. And here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it, just like here. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Alright, here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. If you want to learn more about the backup, simply check our tutorial. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. Simply tap on OK. And if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to hello to confirm. Alright. And as you can see, the account will be immediately removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.